Today we're going to talk about the retail sales bonus. Now, we like to reward anybody who goes above and beyond as much as we possibly can. So, like we had talked about before with the compensation plan, every one of the paid out levels in the business has a retail requirement. So we want to reward people for going above and beyond those requirements each month. So we have the retail sales bonus where you can be earning percentage cash back in your pocket anytime you do over $5,000 in retail sales. So taking a look at the structure of the program, anyone who's a director or below has the opportunity when they hit $5,000 in one given month in retail sales, they're getting back 2.5% on anything that they sell. Now, that's up until $7,500. Now, $7,500 retail sales bonus, that's open to anybody, regardless of what your recognition title is, from senior executive director all the way down to consultant. So when you do $7,500 in one given month, you're getting 5% cash back on any of those sales up to until you do $10,000. Now, when you do $10,000 in a month, you're getting 7.5% back in cash on any of those sales, no questions asked. Now, the highest level of retail sales bonus that we offer is at the $20,000 increment. So you're getting back, when you do $20,000 in 1 month, 12.5%. So that's a minimum of $2,500 that you're getting in cash back in your pocket for doing that. Now, when you actually look at the buying discount that you're getting and you couple it with that, if you have a 50% buying discount and you get the retail sales bonus, you're making 62.5% profit. It's a tremendous opportunity that we're really excited and happy that we can be giving to everybody.